This video will teach you how to identify the different gradebook codes that are used in the FACTS RunWeb gradebook system. In looking at this student's gradebook report, as the parent, our eyes immediately go to the missing work, denoted in red. What I can tell as a parent, just from looking at this, is that the max points possible for this assignment was 14, and for this assignment was 11. This is blank over here because my student did not turn in the work, and it is indeed missing as denoted over here in the status column. There are some different codes you will see in the status column: missing, absent, incomplete, excused, or pending. And I want to go over with you today as parents how to read those codes and how to know what each of those mean. These are the 6 gradebook codes you may see in the status column of RunWeb or FACTS. The codes on the left side are equal to a 0. The codes on the right side are not yet affecting the student's grade. So let's go take a look at the equal to a 0 status reports. So missing means the assignment has not yet been turned in, and it is populating in the gradebook as a 0. INC is incomplete. That means the assignment was turned in incomplete. The teacher has given it back to the student, and now the student must resubmit it for credit. And incomplete is populating in the gradebook as a 0. And then we have an actual 0, and that means that the student actually earned a 0 on the assignment. For example, on a 5-point quiz, they earned 0 out of 5 points. They did not get any answers correct. Or on a 10-point homework assignment, again, they did not get any answers correct, and they earned a 0 out of 10 on that actual assignment. Over here on the right side, these are codes that are not yet affecting the grade, and yet is the key word. So absent means a student was absent on the date the assignment was due and they were not able to turn it in, but it does indicate that the student must still turn the work in. Each teacher has their own deadline for absent work. Please look in their syllabus for those deadlines. If the absent work has not been turned in by that teacher's deadline, the absent will turn to a missing or a 0 for that assignment. Excused simply means the assignment no longer needs to be completed. The teacher has excused it for that particular student. It is not harming their grade or helping their grade in any way. It is just simply an excused assignment that does not need to be completed. And lastly, pending. Pending means that the teacher is in the process of grading the work, and this is typically work that was turned in late that maybe was a missing, and then the teacher switched it to pending so that it's no longer hurting that student's grade as a 0. Or it could also mean that the student has pre-scheduled a date to make up an assignment with the teacher. For example, if they missed an in-class presentation they were supposed to do, instead of putting in a 0, the teacher might put in a pending because the student has come to that teacher and said, I will perform this assignment next Wednesday in class.